Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear students, in this video I am going to cover the poem number 3, Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda from the class 12 NCERT English. Dear students, in this video I am going to cover the textual MCQs of the poem Keeping Quiet as well as the literary device, figure of speech of this poem. So please, I request each one of you to watch this video till the end if you really want to revise this poem. So without wasting the time, let's get started. The very first question, the poem Keeping Quiet has been penned by, it's very simple, just few seconds ago I told you, answer C, Pablo Neruda. Keeping Quiet written by Pablo Neruda, first C. Second, the poet Pablo Neruda is a native of Peru, Chile, Mexico, Italy. The answer of second question is B, Chile. C. The third question, the poet Pablo Neruda won the Nobel Prize for Literature in D. 1971. Third, D. Fourth, the poem Keeping Quiet is about what? What was the poem about? Dear students, the right answer of question number 4 is B. Introspection and mutual understanding. This is really a very beautiful poem. Dear students, I hope you might would have read. Here we go, fifth question. The poet appeals to the readers to count up to dash and keep still. Count up to A, 12, 5A. Question number 6. What kind of moment would be experienced if everyone becomes silent for a while? Question number 6. The right answer is A, exotic. 7. What would be experienced? What would be experienced in the silent and still moment? So, what would be the experience? First, there would be no rush. Yes, right. Second, there would be no engines. Yes. People would be together in a sudden strangeness. Yes. There would be a lot of free time. No. So, the right sequence, the right answer is first, second and third, and that is in C. First, second and third. So, 7th, C. 8th, what would happen in the quiet moment in the cold sea according to Pablo Neruda? What would happen? The right answer is A, fisherman would not harm the whales. 8A. 9th, by keeping quiet, how would the man gathering salt protect himself? He would not be bitten by crocodiles. He would not slip and fall. He would not drown himself. D. He would not hurt his hands further. The right answer is D. He would not hurt his hands further. 9th, D. Question number 10. Which wars have victory with no survivors? A. Green wars. Yes. B. Wars with gas. Yes. C. Wars with fire. Yes. D. All of the above. The right answer of question number 10 is D. All of the above. 11. Who would put on clean clothes and walk with their brothers on keeping quiet? 11. Right answer is B. Soldiers. 11B. 12. According to the poet Pablo Neruda, the act of keeping quiet should not be confused with B. Total inactivity. 13. The poet Pablo Neruda says that he is talking about life and wants to have 13B. No truck with death. Last question, 14. According to the poet, who can teach us when everything seems dead? Who can teach us? C. Earth. 14C. So dear students, now we will cover the figure of speech of the poem Keeping Quiet. So here we go with the first question of figure of speech. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. Dear students, in this poem if we see there is alliteration. The word here W is repeated. We will. Okay, we will. So alliteration, but alliteration तो यहाँ पर है ही नहीं. Even यहाँ पर repetition भी है. If you see we will is repeated. यहाँ पर आप देखो we will तो इसमें repetition भी है, लेकिन ऑप्शन में repetition भी दिया नहीं है. So there is one more, that is B, metonymy. First का है B, metonymy. क्यों? Here the words count to 12 and keep still they represent patience. That's why first का आंसर है बी मेटोनिमी. Second, for once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Here, the right answer of this question is C, personification. क्यों? Because inanimate object, inanimate earth is personified as though it has a face. और यहां पर और एक फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है, वो है लिटोट्स. ओके, अगर आप देख सकते हो तो यहां पर देखो नॉट लिटोट्स, लेकिन लिटोट्स ऑप्शन में दी नहीं है, तो सेकंड का राइट आंसर है सी, personification. Third, let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. A, synecdoche, राइट आंसर. ये synecdoche है क्योंकि पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी जो आर्म स्टैंड्स फॉर द पीपल, आर्म्स जो है वो स्टैंड्स फॉर द पीपल, तो synecdoche राइट आंसर है. बी, पन भी राइट आंसर है. सो बी पन क्यों? द वर्ड आर्म्स डिनोट्स टू मीनिंग, अ पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी एंड एक डिफेंस का एम्युनेशन होता है ना, वो तो दो मीनिंग निकलते हैं, तो पन भी है. सी, एलिट्रेशन भी है. आप देखो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड इज रिपीटेड इन एलिट्रेशन. कौन सा? एम साउंड. तो लास्ट में हमारा ऑप्शन है डी. तो आंसर क्या है थर्ड का? डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबाउ, क्योंकि सिनेक्डकी भी है, पन भी है और एलिट्रेशन भी है. सो राइट आंसर फॉर 3 इज डी, all of the above. Fourth, it would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. फोर्थ का राइट आंसर क्या है? गैस करो स्टूडेंट्स. फोर्थ, मेटोनिमी है इसमें. यस, ये रहा यहां पर मेटोनिमी. द वर्ड विदाउट रश, ये रहा. विदाउट रश रिप्रेजेंट्स पीपल एंड विदाउट इंजन्स रिप्रेजेंट मशीन. ये जो है पीपल एंड मशीन. और दूसरा है रिपीटेशन. द वर्ड्स विदाउट, रिपीटेशन, विदाउट रिपीट हुआ है. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज सी, रिपीटेशन एंड मेटोनिमी. फिफ्थ, वी वुड ऑल बी टुगेदर इन अ सडन स्ट्रेंजनेस, वी वुड, एलिट्रेशन, इंटरनल राइम, वी बी. सो फिफ्थ का राइट आंसर है ए, एलिट्रेशन एंड इंटरनल राइम. सिक्स्थ, फिशरमैन इन द कोल्ड सी वुड नॉट हार्म वेल्स. सिक्स्थ का राइट आंसर है वेरी सिंपल, हियर द यूज ऑफ नॉट, डी, लिटोट्स. सेवेंथ, एंड द मैन गैदरिंग सॉल्ट वुड लुक एट हिज हर्ट हैंड्स. सेवेंथ, hurt hands, be synecdoche. So the part of the body, hand stands for man gathering salt. Okay, hand stands for man. So B, seventh का आंसर है B, synecdoche. 8, those who prepare green wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shed, doing nothing. The right answer of 8 is irony. The meaning victory with no survivors denotes an opposite meaning, that it is actually a defeat. So that's why the right answer of 8 is A, irony. Ninth, what I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Should not. C, litotes. Ninth, C. Question number 10. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. Life and death. Antithesis, no truck. Litotes. The right answer of question number 10 is A, antithesis and litotes. 11. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing. 11. D, internal rhyme. Rhyming words, moving and nothing. Moving, nothing and moving. Internal rhyme. Next. 12. Perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Question number 12. A, personification. The inanimate silence is given a human quality. Silence. of interrupting. So that's why A personification. B internal rhyme. ये internal rhyme भी है. क्यों? Rhyming words understanding, threatening are used. Understanding and here threatening. So internal rhyme भी है. C litotes भी है भाई. Negation is there and here you can see negative never word is used. So litotes. So the right answer of question number 12 D all of the above. तो personification भी है, internal rhyme भी है और litotes भी हैं. So 12 D. 13 perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. 13 right answer is personification. Why? Because the inanimate earth is given the human quality of teaching. Earth can teach. Personification as well as antithesis. The opposite word dead, dead and alive, here it is given in the sentence. So 13B personification and antithesis. The last sentence. Now I'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. The right answer is metonymy and repetition. D metonymy, repetition and metonymy. So repetition, the word I will is repeated in the sentence I'll, okay, and I'll repeated. So repetition. Metonymy, the words keep quiet represent introspection. Keep quiet, that represents the introspection. So dear students, these are the figure of speech of the poem Keeping Quiet. If you really learned something, then please do hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. That's it for the day. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.